How to add Elementor to WordPress. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily add the Elementor's plugin to WordPress. Go ahead and open up your web browser and then click on the search bar, simply search for WordPress, hit enter, go to the first link, and once you open WordPress.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So what I'm going to do now is go to the plugins option and then click on it. Now here you're just going to have to search for the Elementor plugin. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and then search for Elementor. Hit enter and you'll find different kind of options here. So click on the first one right here. And if you want to add this plugin, click on upgrade and activate. You have to note that before you get the plugin, you need to upgrade your plan on WordPress. So if you're using a free plan, you're going to have to upgrade from it. Click on upgrade and activate. And then from here, choose when you install the plugin, theme, or activate hosting features. The default site address will change, so make sure that the site visitors are redirected to the new domain. So it's going to be the new domain. Click on upgrade and activate plugin. So on the checkout page, you just have to select a plan, select your billing information, pick a payment method, and then just click on pay. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.